Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm pleased to inform that this would be the last video on the threads clone where we clone their UI. Yeah, this would be the last video, so let's just jump right into it.
Yeah. So they might go right to
Okay guys, so as usual, we start by creating a screen and we'll say profile screen. But that would import period on that and then create a stateful widget. There we go. And we say profile screen. There we go. Of course, we'll be using a scaffold. I think this has become drilled into you guys now. Okay, we'll have our body, save area, our padding, edge insets, and of course, we'll be using the symmetric. All right, and so not to get lost, this is what we are trying to build. Okay, so let's come back and let's give also an horizontal of 10 as well. Let's just add trailing commas. And let's come and see child. Not there, here. Okay. And we'll have a column and a children. And let's see what we have to do first. Okay, we have to do this. Okay. So of course, this would be in a row. So we have a children, and this would be an icon. It will be icon dot language and spell language well. And there we go. And in order to see what we've created, let's just copy this and then paste it with this. Of course, we would need to import it. My compiler is being slow today. Let's just import that. Okay, there we go. And we will have to hot restart. Okay, it will take some time, but let's see. Okay, there we go. Now we've already done this from the beginning. And so if you are confused and wondering when I created all this, you could just check the channel. You will see all these videos available, right? And there we go. Looking great. I think we should work on it some more. So let's go back to the profile screen. And then the next thing we'll be having is these two things. Okay, so in the row, we'll have another row. We'll see the reason later. Then we'll have a children. And then we'll have an image dot asset. And we'll have an asset images. I couldn't find, I think, an Instagram icon. So we'll be using an image instead. And the image we'll be using is the this insta icon.png. So let's just insta icon.png. Hope I got it right. And okay, let's just remove the const. And there we go. And now let's see what we got. Okay, we definitely need to decrease the size. So let's say a height of 30 and a width of 30 as well. There we go. And it's looking great. The next thing will also be an icon. It will be icon.segment sharp. Okay, maybe a size of 25. That's what we got. Okay, looking great. Okay, but when you check the original picture here, you see that there was a space here, and we can achieve that by saying main assets alignment, main assets alignment, but space between. And we do that. There we go. We achieved that. And that was the reason for me adding a row in a row so we could achieve this right here. So let's just const it and continue. Okay, so the next thing we are trying to build would be this. So we'll definitely get out of the column, out of the row, sorry, yeah, and then we'll be right here. So now that we are out of the row, we'll say column. As always, you could put your name there. We'll just use create quotes. There we go. Let's see what we got. Maybe let's see what we got after letter styling. Okay, so let's just say style, text style, and then the font weight would be font weight dot bold. Let's see. Okay, I think we'll get there. Okay, so in order for the text to go all the way to the left, we just say cross axis alignment, say cross axis alignment dot start. All right, and there we go. We've achieved that. Let's see what we got next. Okay, so just beneath this text, maybe we could add a font size. Okay, so it could be much more visible. So let's just say 18. Let's see. Okay, looking great. So just beneath the text, we'll have another row where we'll say children. Okay, and the first thing we'll have would be a text in. Again, I'm going to put my name there. You could put your name there. Okay, there we go. And the next thing we'll also be having, let me just put in a chip. Yeah, a chip will do the trick. And we'll say, sorry, too hasty there. We'll grab that text. Okay. Uh, let's just fix these errors. And there we go. Okay, looking great. I think a lot of padding, say label padding and say edge inserts. Maybe all. This time we won't be using symmetric. Let's just see all of maybe three. Okay, let's see. Looking good. But I want space between them. So what I do is say uh, const size box and give it a width of say 5. And 5 will be okay. And not here, sorry, but between here. Let me get rid of the squiggly lines to make it visible. Okay, there we go. And okay, this is looking great, guys. Let's see what we got next. So, okay, in the column, we just have another text. So we say text, and we just say 1, 2, 3, 4 followers. It's as simple as that. Oh, there we go. Great. Okay. Now I think we then have another rule. We are using a lot of rule here in children, and we could just use chips as well. Okay, so we could use chip, yeah, and say chip. The label would be a text. Let's see what we got. Yeah, edit profile. Okay, I'll just copy this chip and post it again. They're looking great. I think in the row, say main axis alignment. main access alignment dot space around. Okay, that's enough coding. Let's see what we got. Hey guys, looking great. Let's change this edit profile to share profile. And I think we should customize it a bit. So here we'll say palette dot black color, and it calls this to get rid of the squiggly lines to make it more visible. And let's see, after I added the background color, it's looking great. We just lost the border around it. Don't worry, we'll get it back. Let's just add it here as well. And in here we'll say side, say border side. Let's give it a width of say maybe 1.5. The color will be palette dot maybe white color. Okay, let's just copy and paste this as well. And there we go, guys. We've been able to get it. Let's see. Yeah, I don't see any difference here. I think the last pass will be this one. Okay, this gets a little complicated, but I think we'll be able to achieve it. Okay, so let's get out of the row. Okay, entirely. Okay, and yeah. Okay, so let's put a little space between everything, and let's say a height of 10. Okay, now we're going to be using a default tab controller. A default tab controller where we specify the length to be 2 and the child to be a tab bar. Where we have tabs, there will just be text saying, let's see, threads and replies. Okay, we have threads and spell it well, and then another text saying replies. Okay, let's just add trailing comments. Okay, and let's see what we got. Let's see. And boom, just like that, we've been able to get this. And that was so easy. Pertaining to the business logic part, it wouldn't be just this easy. We would have to use something called a mixing. Okay, here right here we have to say something like with single ticker and with single ticker provider state mixed in. We'll have to be using all this, but I think pertaining the UI aspect, I think we'll just style this a little bit. Okay, to that, let's say style and text style. I think let's increase the font size to say 15. Okay, and then let's do the same for the replies. Let's see, maybe a bit bigger than 15 because the default is 14. So let's see. Okay, this looks better. There we go. We could switch between tabs. But I think in our original video, this indicator is white. So we can change that, say indicator color and say palette dot white color. And there we go. And this is looking great. I don't think I left anything out. And so guys, this is the profile screen of threads. And this is the last video. I will be dropping the source code on GitHub. The link will be in the description below. You could go and check it out. You could clone it. You could style it. I'm very interested in what more improvements you could add to it. So just let me know in the comment section. If you are facing any problems building it, let me know in the comment section as well. I'll be glad to help you. And so with that, this will be the profile screen. One more check to check if I have not mixed anything. No. Okay. And that is it. And that will be the end of this series. It's been fun. It's been educative. I've learned so much. I hope you have also. And there are a lot more this channel has to offer. So please, please, please subscribe, please share, and please like every video and every channel. That would be so, so, so great. And see you in the next series.
Yeah.